Hello and welcome to our no-knead bread roll recipe. You probably know that we Germans love bread. In this video I will show you a recipe for super easy and flavorful no-knead rolls. In this variation I add some shredded cheese, but you could just leave it out if you don't like it. The rolls will be still amazing. And as always, you will find the whole recipe with all the ingredients and measurements in the link below the video. Start with adding the flour and the shredded cheese to a large bowl and blend it together. This is, by the way, a great recipe to use leftover cheese. Just use the little odds and ends that are laying around in your fridge and nobody wants to eat them. Then add the yeast and the salt and blend everything together. Pour the room temperature water into the flour mixture and mix until everything is well combined. Scrape down the sides and make sure all flour is incorporated. Then cover the bowl with plastic wrap and allow the dough to proof for about 6 to 8 hours or even overnight at room temperature. And that is the real trick for flavor in this recipe. The long proofing gives the bread a wonderful flavor and texture. When you are ready to bake, sprinkle some flour on top of the dough and then place the dough onto a with flour sprinkled working space. I like to shape the dough into a flat ball and then cut it into 6 or 8 equal-sized pieces. You can weigh the dough pieces, but I just eyeball it. Shape the rolls by pinching the ends together. The dough will be a little sticky. Don't feel tempted to incorporate too much extra flour. Just sprinkle it on the surface and roll the rolls in the flour to prevent them from too much sticking. And keep in mind that they are intended to have a rustic look, so there is no need to shape them perfectly smooth and round. Place them on a with parchment-lined baking sheet. For the last proofing step, cover the rolls with plastic wrap and proof for about 45 minutes while you preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for about 20 to 25 minutes and enjoy them lukewarm. Guten Appetit!